Local and online businesses were already struggling to come online and keep their doors open due to the pandemic. Then the iOS 14 update happened, which destroyed their Facebook sales and lead campaigns. Unfortunately, Facebook's answer to this advertising nightmare was to pivot to the metaverse, leaving already struggling mom-and-pop businesses in the dust. Meanwhile, Google's Adwords and YouTube advertising platform hasn't missed a beat and has become the best place for paid lead generation. The problem is that most small businesses have no idea how to use AdWords and YouTube ads, let alone create highly optimized video ads campaigns there. That's where you come in with our all-in-one video technology advertising system. After months of development, we've created the ultimate YouTube and AdWords PPC suite for this very reason. Now, you can help businesses stay afloat with daily autopilot leads and sales with advanced video technology. Introducing ytsuite. ytsuite is an all-in-one, easy-to-use cloud app that does everything needed to create highly profitable AdWords and YouTube advertising campaigns for local businesses. This groundbreaking app comes with AgencyRights, allowing you to run a YouTube advertising agency for the first time ever, or simply use the technology to get agency leads yourself. Get started creating profitable YouTube ad campaigns automatically for clients by Step 1. Create their YouTube optimized lead video. Create a perfectly optimized YouTube video ad from many DFY templates in hot local business niches or from scratch. These templates are optimized specifically for YouTube and AdWords ads. Customize everything in a click, including text, motion backgrounds, transitions, voiceovers, and more. Step 2. Find money-saving AdWords placements, topics, and keywords. Then, make clients' YouTube campaigns profitable by letting ytsuite find the best AdWord placements, topics, and keywords to use in your campaigns. Uncover the best hidden places to show your YouTube videos, the most profitable topics and audiences, and more to save as much money as possible. Step 3. Create their AdWords optimized landing page. Next, let ytsuite create an AdWords-approved, fully optimized, and congruent lead page for each video you make. Choose from many hot local business niche templates, customize each in just a few clicks, and host them on their ytsuite servers. Step 4. Auto-submit campaigns to their AdWords account and get paid. Then, finish creating your fully optimized AdWords campaign and submit it in one click to each client's AdWord account and start sending them instant leads and sales fast. Charge per campaign step, per lead, or a monthly fee for app access. Some unique features include drag and drop multi-track video creator. Create professional, high-converting videos from scratch or from carefully constructed templates for your video advertising campaigns. These attention-getting ads are complete with professional stock clips, voiceovers, music, graphics, and more, all fully customizable. DFY lead video templates and hot local niches. Get 20-plus DFY video templates to instantly create lead and sale videos fully optimized for YouTube ads. These are fully optimized specifically for YouTube video ads. Find profitable YouTube placements. AdWords allows you to choose specific channels, videos, or pages to place your ads on. This helps dramatically decrease costs. ytsuite enables you to find the most congruent and profitable placements for each of your clients' campaigns. Find profitable AdWords topics. AdWords AI has created lists of audiences you can show your clients' ads in front of. ytsuite helps find the most relevant topics to include in your campaign fast and easy. Find profitable long-tail campaign keywords. Keywords are an essential part of YouTube and all AdWords campaigns, but it's still difficult to find profitable long-tail keywords to use within AdWords. Our Keyword Finder lets you find the most relevant and untapped keywords to show ads on. Organized by clients. Organize clients by different projects and by sub-users. Upload videos to the client's YouTube and make sure YouTube channel is separated by client. DFY landing page templates in Builder. Create congruent lead generation pages hosted for you that match your video ads for leads and sales. These pages will convert like hotcakes and are AdWords TOS approved. Auto-submit campaigns to AdWords. Let the app create a high-converting YouTube video ad campaign for you and submit it to AdWords in just one click. Autoresponder and leads integration. Integrate your client's autoresponder and quickly capture and send leads to them from ytsuite's cloud-based landing pages. Get pre-qualified local business leads. Find pre-qualified clients desperate for more leads and sales and are tired of struggling with Facebook. You'll see exactly where these clients are and how to land them for $500 to $2,000 fees. AdWords training. Never run a YouTube or AdWords advertising campaign before? We'll show you how in bonus training. And much more, like tutorials and 24/7 support. Easy to use, beginner-friendly, AdWords API approved, autoresponder integration, fully cloud-based, drag-and-drop technology, fully tested, thousands of images and video clips included, fully mobile-friendly pages. First, as a special bonus, you're getting the commercial license with your investment today. This allows you to sell the services from ytsuite you make for any price you want to multiple businesses. Plus, you're getting the agency license as a special bonus today only. This means you can give access to the software for a monthly fee and let the clients do all the campaign setup for you. Easily charge $500 to $2,000 per month for access while the clients do all the setup for you. And as another VIP limited time bonus, you'll get detailed AdWords and YouTube ads training. See exactly how to use the interface, how to set up ads, run campaigns, and far more. Just think of all the ways you can make money from ytsuite. Way 1, charge per campaign. Create lead campaigns for a one-time fee. Way number 2, charge per lead sent. Charge per lead or amount of visitors sent. Law firms pay up to $100 per lead. Way 3, charge for app access. Charge a monthly fee for clients to access the software and create the campaigns themselves. Way 4, take a percentage. Take a percentage of a client's net profit plus charge for ad spend. Way 5, run ytsuite campaigns. Create campaigns for your own products or white label tools, and more. But to support the bandwidth for this cloud technology and provide you with world-class support, we have to raise the price every few hours. Plus, ytsuite will soon be sold for a higher monthly subscription after the special launch period ends. However, if you buy now, you'll lock in access month to month for a one-time only, super low fee today. Fair warning, this incredible price you see below will disappear soon. If you don't agree that this is the biggest opportunity for agencies and ytsuite is super easy to use, you pay nothing. It's that simple. We know how this business works, and we know our first ever video technology advertising solution makes it easy for you to run YouTube ads, even if you haven't had any success before. We've done all the hard work for you. If you're not 100% happy, just open a ticket with our rapid response support in 30 days and you'll get a refund. Remember, ytsuite is the only all-in-one solution for a one-time price that creates and runs profitable YouTube video ad campaigns, complete with optimized videos, landing pages, placements, keywords, and more. This groundbreaking suite helps struggling small businesses get fast leads and sales, no matter their niche. So pick the license that's right for you now. Press the Buy Now button below, and we'll see you in the members area.